We're gonna see how to graph polynomial equations. First, here's our equation. After having our equation, you have to factor it out. Here you can see how it was factored, getting x squared times x minus 3 times x plus 2. After having this equation, you can factor each x out, getting the zeros, and with the zeros, you get the points in where it will cross in or bounce in the x-axis. The multiplicity is the means if it's gonna bounce or cross. If it's an odd multiplicity, it will cross, and if it's an even multiplicity, it will bounce. Then in the equation, you get the y-intercept, that is by substituting the x value by 0, and here you can see we got a 0,0 value. That's the coordinate of the y-intercept. After that, you substitute in the original equation or in the factor equation x by any value you want. Here we did it by 1 and minus 1 to get other points in the graph. So after having the values, you can see that here's the first 0 of x, where it's negative 2, 0, the y-intercept, and the second x value that it's 0, 0, and the third x value that it's 3, 0. Then we also marked the two values that we obtained by substitution, and you can see it's minus 4, 1, minus 4, minus 1, and minus 6, 1. With this, you graph it, and since we had here telling us if it crosses or it bounces, you can see how here the graph crosses in these 2 points and bounces in this point.